Hi everyone, this is your friend Ayush, a professionally entrepreneur and passionately educator. And today I'm here to make you learn about machine learnings and AI. So let's start without wasting a single minute. So first, what we will do is we'll write the heading for today's lecture, that is machine learning and AI. On every lecture, we'll follow a rule. We will do a fact. Okay, we'll do a random fact. It may be from science, it may be from background history, it may be from geography, anywhere, but it would be an fun fact. Okay, so the fun fact for today is a cloud weights. Do you know about how much a cloud weights? If yes, write below. If not, we're gonna complete this sentence soon. So a cloud weighs around 1 million ton. Did you know a cloud weighs around 1 million tons? So can you imagine how much weight it is? So as we have done with our facts, let's start with the today's topic, which is starting to machine learning and AI. So the first thing we would be seeing is what is AI actually? Okay, so if I give you a different definition for this, so AI is the simulation of human intelligence. First of all, I want to tell you that you should make notes. Okay, this is very important. Make notes of every sentence I'm writing here. Write the fun fact too. Okay, because and this should you should always put dates. Always make an habit of putting dates around your corner of the page, so you could remember that yeah, you have progressed somewhere. Starting with the definition again. So AI is the simulation of human intelligence by machines, which enabling them to learn, reason, and solve problems. Okay, so now let's understand it in depth. First, we heard is simulation. Second, we heard is human intelligence. And then we came to solve problems. Okay, now what is simulation? Again, if you know, write it down or I'll tell you. So, simulation is imitation of real happenings. Okay, so simulation means you are trying to copy it. Human intelligence means intellectual. I'll write it again. So, it is intellectual capability of humans. Okay, so if someone asks you what is human intelligence, you could answer it in just 4 words. That is intellectual capacity of humans. What that means is the capability of humans to learn, understand, do work, and have their basic tasks day by day works. Maybe it's from NASA to a small farmers. It's all under human intelligence. Okay. Next, human intelligence by machines. So AI is the simulation means imitation of human intelligence overall by machines, enabling them to learn, reason, and solve problems. So they tend to learn, then they follow the reason, they follow the objective, they have that mentality, okay, to get to some logics and understand, and then we can have learn, and then we solve these problems. So that is what AI is. So now you should never get confused between AI and machine learnings. Okay, I hope you are making notes. Now let's move and see what are the subsets of AI. Okay, so you'll be shocked to know that there are many subsets under it. First one is machine learning. So now you know that machine learning isn't part of AI. It's not in different body. It's not some other greater body, but it's a part of AI. Then next we have is deep learning. Next we have is NLPs. Do you know what is NLP? Let me type it. It's natural language processings. Okay, so we can write it by NLP. I'm so sorry for my writing because I'm not too good in writing with pen tabs. Then we have is expert systems. Next we have is robotics. Then we have computer visions. Then we go through the speech recognition. So these are all the main 7 parts which come under AI. Fine. If I draw this into a table, it will look like AI. I can start. Okay, automatic shapes. So it's an AI under which it is followed by, then we have machine learnings. Okay. Under machine, we have, it's good to not turn it on. We have deep learning. Then after machine learning, we can go for, we have NLPs, that is natural language processing. And then under NLP, we have text generation, machine translation, and then under it, we again have, you can have questions and answers and classification models. Okay. And also the context extractor. So now you know that under NLP, we have text generations, machine translation, question and answers, classification, and context extractor. Next, moving to other parts, we have expert systems. Then we have speech recognition. Then we have robotics, followed by we have vision. If I put it like this, it will be vision, under which it will be machine vision. Make notes, okay? You understand it better. Image recognition. And the last one we have is planning. So this is the overall formation of AI, where it has the main subset as machine learning, expert systems, NLPs, speech recognition, robotics, vision, and planning. Okay, I hope you have understood this. And now let's move to the other part. Next, we will see what is difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Okay, so we'll be seeing individual definitions for all of them. Fine. Let's start with the AI. So if I tell you AI focuses on building tools as tools or software that can carry out tasks that typically requires human intelligence. Okay, so the same meaning you can get from this main definition which we wrote upside, that AI focuses on building tools or softwares that carry out tasks that simply requires human intelligence. Good. Next we have is, okay, I'll add a more line here. It's an important one. So AI encompasses a wide range of techniques. Now this is an important part. Techniques, methodologies, and applications. Now let's understand in depth what does I mean by techniques. So under techniques, we have machine learnings or deep learning or NLPs. So this will all come under techniques. Under methodologies, we have symbolic AI, machine learning, and next we can have evolutionary computation. Okay, so this will all come under methodologies. And under applications, we have our favorite tools like ChatGPT, okay, Gemini, and then we have other copilots. Okay, so this will all come under applications. So now you understand what is the main purpose of AI and what it encompasses to and what things come under it. Okay, so till now this was the main things which you should always learn about AI. Okay, so we have covered what is AI, then subsets of AI, then we have completed the whole diagram, and then we are looking into AI, ML, and data learning. Okay, so that's all for this lecture. I hope you have learned much, and I'm not taking you further because it's too much. I understand this topic is little harder because this is new to us. So I'll give you time. I hope you're making notes. Put your doubts below to this video and I'll reply to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.